continue the discussion in solving linear equations involving multiple steps. So we already solved a to g in the previous video. In this video, I will solve h to k. So part h, we have x minus 9 divided by 4 equals to 6. When you see fraction, say this to yourself: I need to get rid of the fraction because I don't like working with fractions. To get rid of the fraction, I need to get rid of the 4. How do I do that? The only way to do this is you multiply both sides by 4, because 4 times 1 over 4 is equals to 1. So that means these two 4's got cancelled. So after that, we are no longer having a denominator. So x minus 9 equals to 6. So the red 4, let's make the color consistent. 6 times 4 is 24, and then 24 plus 9, so x is equals to 24. You add 9 on both sides, so x is equals to 33. And then hi, we have 3x plus 5 divided by negative 2 equals to 7. So first, I would like to get rid of the negative 2, so I'm going to multiply both sides by negative 2. And then we have 7 times negative 2 equals to negative 14. Negative 2 and negative 2 got cancelled on the left. Then we have 3x plus 5 equals to that. 3x equals to negative 14 minus 5. That is equals to negative 19. This is a 3x. And then we have x equals to negative 19 divided by 3, right? Divide 3 on both sides. And then I will just keep this answer. So what I did is I divide 3 on both sides, and other way to say this is I multiply both sides by 1/3. Multiply by 1/3 and divided by 3 is same thing, because when you have 1/3 times 3, then you have 3 over 3, right? So that is just 3 divided by 3. Okay, so let's do j. So j, let's put j up here. We have 3 over 8, and then times x minus 2 equals to 6. I need to get rid of the 3 over 8. So to get rid of that, the best way to do it is you multiply both sides by the reciprocal of that, 8 over 3, because 8 over 3 times 3 over 8 is just equals to 1. The 8 and the 3, they got cancelled. Then we have 1 divided by 1, which is equals to 1. And then take the same action on the right hand side. Let's write the next line. Then we have x minus 2 equals to 6 times 8 is 48, right? Divided by 3, and then we have to add 2 on both sides. So that is 48 divided by 3 plus 2. We need a common denominator, 48 over 3. So the 2, I need a 3 in the denominator. So 2 times 3 is equals to 6. 6 over 3 is equals to 2. So now we have the same denominator, 48 plus 6, 54 divided by 3. So that is my final answer. All right, and then k, we have 7 over 15 times 5x minus 1 equals to 14. Let's get rid of the fraction. So to get rid of the fraction, I have to multiply both sides by 15 over 7, reciprocal, 15 over 7. So these two fractions, they will be cancelled. Then we have 5 minus 1 on the left. And then 15 times 14, so 14 times 15 is equals to 210. So we have 210 divided by 7, or you simplify first. 7 divided by 7 is 1, 14 divided by 7 is 2. So 2 times 15 is equals to 30. So 210 divided by 7, that is the same thing as 30, right? These two numbers are exactly the same. Then you have 5x minus 1 equals to 30. You add 1 on both sides. 30 plus 1 is 31, and then 31 divided by 5 is your final answer, 31 divided by 5. So what we did is we divide both sides by 5. Okay, that is what we did. And then this one, we add 1 on both sides. All right, so that is the final answer, and that is the end of this example. So in the next one, I will show you more multi-step linear equation, but the next one, we are going to use calculator to do approximation. I see you in there.